Hello, we are going to build a super simple but really handy automation here that essentially allows us to send any type of information from HighLevel directly into our Slack channels. So this can be used, for example, if you want to let someone know in Slack, hey, you have a new task added in HighLevel, or this person has submitted their onboarding form, be sure to review their account, or even just kind of update you based on like what your appointments look like for that day. Hey, you have this many appointments booked in HighLevel, and then recycle that time and time again. So here's just a really quick example of what you can kind of do in here. So here we just have a trigger as a task added, or we just have task added. So assigned user is either Kylie Robinson or assigned user is either Samantha Raby. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and send a notification to Slack. So we have our Slack account connected. You can do that inside the integrations tab. And then we're going to send a public channel message. I selected just a random channel for us. And then it's going to say task has been added for either Kylie or Sammy. Check out your to-do list. So again, super simple there. Nothing super crazy. Now, we are also going to use this in another workflow that I'm about to build that's going to be more complex, but this is kind of one of those that you can just kind of keep yourself updated. So if you have like a new, let's see, I mean, we can really do this for all kinds of things. Like a customer replied would be a really good one that you could use this for. Just say customer replied. You can add filters here if you want, and then sends you a Slack notification that, hey, someone replied. Go ahead and, check up on this. Or even a new appointment booked. Maybe instead of getting those emails, I know Sammy and I sometimes miss those new appointment booked notification emails. So maybe we just want to have Slack let us know, hey, you have a new appointment booked. But you can use this for pretty much anything and anything that you want going from HighLevel into Slack to communicate a little more efficiently.